Hello, welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to show you steps to learn how to dance reggaeton at the club. To begin, we're going to open our legs for the first step. We move the right leg forward as if we were taking a little step, and then we go backwards like this. We're going to do the same with the other leg, forward, then backwards. To this, we're also going to add a little arm movement so that it is a little looser. We can also touch the body a little to make more dynamic movement. Let's do it all in one go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to the second step. We're going to open the legs again, first opening to the right, then to the left. When we go right, left, the arms are going to move 1, 2. We're going to do the two steps together, 5, 6, 7, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After this, we're going to do two hip movements, one to the right and one to the left. We're going to move 1 in 2 to make 3, 4. Now let's do the three steps together, 5, 6, 7, and we do 1, 2, 3, 4, the side, hip, hip. After the hip movements, we're going to move the right leg forward and we're going to do a double. 1, 2, we go to the other leg, 3, 4. We're going to add a little bit of shoulders to this, moving with the shoulders, shoulders. We do it on the other side as well, moving shoulders, shoulders. We do shoulders, 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 shoulders. And from here, we're going to go backwards. What we're going to do is, with the opposite hand, in this example the right one, we're going to move as if brushing off some dirt. We go brush, brush, brush. We're going to do it 4 times. 5, 6, and brush, 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 brush. And now we're going to do it all together a little bit slow. First, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, on 4, side, side, hip, hip, shoulder, 2, 3, brush, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're going to add a little bit of attitude. Here we go, with music, fast and loud. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, side, side, hip, hip, on 1, 2, 3, brush, on 5, on 6, on 7, on 8, attitude, 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 attitude. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more to come, and we'll see you next time.